Hello, and welcome to today's video. In this episode of one of the most influential figures in the world of drag racing and aviation, Connie Kalitta. Connie Kalitta, often called the Babe Ruth of drag racing, has left a lasting legacy in motorsport, not just through his achievements as a driver, but also as a team owner and aviation enthusiast. Kalitta was born on April 24, 1938, in Michigan, USA. His passion for speed started early, but it wasn't always focused on cars. He first worked in the aviation industry as a pilot, and that passion for flight would come full circle later in life. However, it was drag racing that would really bring Kalitta into the limelight. In the 1960s, Connie Kalitta transitioned into drag racing, where he quickly became known for his raw skill and fearless attitude behind the wheel. He made his mark in the National Hot Rod Association, NHRA, competing in top fuel events. Kalitta's driving career soared, with many fans and critics noting his consistency and ability to push the limits of what was possible on the track. By the 1970s, Connie Kalitta was a force to be reckoned with. In fact, he became one of the first drivers to break into the 6-second barrier in the NHRA Top Fuel Dragster category. This was a groundbreaking achievement that solidified his place in the sport's history. While Kalitta was certainly known for his racing skills, what truly elevated his career was his incredible work ethic and approach to the business side of the sport. He didn't just race, he also created a team that would dominate the sport for decades to come. In the early 1970s, Connie founded Kalitta Motorsports, which is still a powerhouse in the drag racing world. His team became a staple of success, and Kalitta's ability to nurture and mentor new drivers helped create some of the best talent in the sport. Throughout the years, Kalitta Motorsports has seen great success, with his drivers winning multiple championships. Kalitta's contributions didn't just stop at motorsport. His passion for aviation led him to found Kalitta Air, a major air freight company that provides services around the world. This business venture was a natural extension of his love for flying, and it shows just how multifaceted Connie Kalitta truly is. Though Kalitta officially retired from driving in the 1990s, he remained heavily involved in the sport and his team's operations. His legacy continues through his son, Doug Kalitta, who is an accomplished NHRA top fuel driver in his own right. Connie Kalitta's story is one of passion, perseverance, and unmatched success. From drag racing to aviation, he's proven time and again that his drive for excellence knows no bounds. His name is etched in the history of both drag racing and aviation, and he continues to inspire the next generation of racers, entrepreneurs, and dreamers. Thank you for joining me today as we explored the life and legacy of Connie Kalitta. If you enjoyed the video, don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe for more inspiring stories like this one. Until next time, keep pushing the limits.